I'll tell you with one more example. 200, 9 tens, 4 ones. What you have to do, you have to regroup this one, dash hundreds, 19 tens and dash ones. First of all, write down this number in 100 tens and ones. 100 tens and ones. How many hundreds are there? 2. How many tenses are here? 9. How many ones are here? 4. What you have to do, you have to tell when 19 tens are there, 9 will become 19. Then how many hundreds and how many ones will be there? When 9 will become 19 means this 9 has taken borrow. Borrow from which number? From the next number. Not from here, from here. 9 has taken borrow from here. When 9 will take borrow from 2, then 2 will become 1. Very good. When 9 will take borrow, then 2 will become 1. And 1's place should be 4 only. So my answer is 1 and 4 here. Got it? Take more example. 5,600 is equal to dash thousands, 1600s. Now again you have to make the regroup. First of all, arrange this one, 1000 and 100. 5,600. How many thousand will be there when 6 will become 16? When 6 will become 16, it means 6 has taken borrow. From which number? From 5. Then 5 will become 4. So what is my answer here? 4. Got it? So in this way, you can do your question number 1. Now look at your question number 2. What is there? There is written find the difference. Find the difference. Sums are here. You have to solve that one. How to do? Look at here. The number is 8745. You have to subtract 4182. This is my ones place, tens place, 100 place, and this is my 1000 place. You have to subtract. From where you will start your subtraction? From the ones place. From the open your 5 finger, everyone. 5. Cut 2 from here. How many are left? 3. So my answer is 3 here. Now open your 4 finger. Cut 8 from there. Is it possible? No. So take borrow from 7. Then 7 will become 6. And this 4 will become 14. When 4 will take borrow from 7, 4 will become 14. And you have to subtract 1 from here. Now open your 14 finger. Cut 8 from there. 6. Now open your 6 finger. Cut 1 from there. 5. Now open your 8 finger. Cut 4 from there. It's 4. So my answer is 4, 5, 6, 3. If it is possible to cut, then cut it. No need to take borrow. If it is not possible, only then take borrow. Got it? In this way, you have to do your question number 2. Look at your question number 3. Write the numbers in the columns and subtract. Numbers are given like this. What you have to do, you have to arrange it here and then you have to subtract. 5,618, you have to write it. 239. So where to write? Here. 239. Be careful. Do not start from here. It is 1,000 place. It is given to you 239. Start from here. Open your 8 finger. Cut 9 from there. Not possible. So 8 will take borrow from 1. Then 1 will become 0. And this 8 will become 18. Now open your 18 finger. Cut 9 from there. You will get 9. One by one solve. First of all solve 1's place, then 10's place, then 100 place. In this place is solved. Now come here. This is 0. Open your 0 finger. Cut 3 from there. It's not possible. So 0 will take borrow from this number now, right? So this 0 will take borrow from 6. 0 will become 10 and this 6 will become 5. Now open your 10 finger, cut 3 from there, it's 7. Now open your 5 finger, cut 2 from there, it's 3. Open your 5 finger, cut 0 from there, 5. So my answer is 5379. Where there is a need, only then take borrow. Got it? So in this way you can do your question number 3. Try to solve it yourself. Got it? So do this exercise.